more than 300 kilometers away from Dhaka, and this is the place where this ISKCON temple was vandalized and burned. And right now, the head of the ISKCON temple is joining with me. Prabhuji, uh, please tell us what happened that day on 5th of August and how you survived.
हाँ, पहले तो मैं TV9 का आभार हूँ, आप लोग कितना दूर से आया हमारा इस घटना स्थल में। तो 5 अगस्त में जो हुआ, जो बांग्लादेश सरकार का पतन होने के बाद जो सारी जगह जगह बांग्लादेश में हिंदू और संघा लोगों के ऊपर जो आक्रमण होना था, इसी की तरह हमारा बांग्लादेश का जो
So now we are entering in the temple complex, and let me show that what is the condition here. You can see that how brutally it was first it was vandalized, and then it was burned, and you can see all kind of remains here, and the condition of wall, roof, and other things. You can see that, and so please tell us when the mob came here, where you were.
प्लीज़ डोंट अंडरस्टैंड प्लीज़ हिंदी।
आप कहाँ पर थे उस समय?
उस समय हम लोग जो हमारा जो दफ्तर थे, दफ्तर में हम सब लोग एकत्र के बैठे थे। कैसे मंदिर को जो बाहर तोड़ फोड़ हो रहा है हम समझ नहीं पा रहे। फिर हमारा मंदिर के ऊपर आक्रमण हुआ, विस्फोट हुआ। इसके बाद हम जैसे कि तैसे हम मंदिर से बाहर होने की कोशिश किया, और हमारा जो लोग बाहर नहीं भाग नहीं पाया। इधर आप देखें कुएं पर कूद गए 2-3 भक्त उधर रहे थे, और इधर सारे जो मंदिर
So your colleagues were actually hiding in the well.
हाँ, in the well.
So I am going to show you the condition of this temple. Here is the place where the idol was kept here, and that was the place. But you can see the condition here, what actually happened. And then you see this part. This part is what is this?
मृदंग 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 खोल खोल और ये होचे हारमोनियम और हारमोनियम।
Now I am going to show you the most devastating part of this premises, and here when you arrived, and it's really shocking that what exactly happened. You can see all the books, whether it is Gita, Mahabharat, Veda, Puran, and all other religious books, all are burnt here. It seems like you are actually witnessing Nalanda kind of incident here. So you can see what exactly happened in this place, and it was all happened on 5th of August when Sheikh Hasina flee from Dhaka to India, and then the mob came here. More than 500 persons surrounded this place, and then they start attacking this place, and around 17 people were inside of this complex, and they tried to stop them, but they could not succeed, and after that they had to actually back from this place, and few of them tried to here you can see the poster, damaged poster of Lord Krishna, and then Prabhupada ji. These posters are actually saying that what was the condition when the mob came into this place. And then I'm going to show you, you can see the bike is damaged here, and all other materials which was kept here. All these things are completely destroyed. So that was the condition here when the mob arrived. But now I'm going to show you something very, very special, and that is that place where actually 2-3 devotees hided themselves so that they could survive. So even after 1 week, you can understand that what kind of damage or incident happened here. But now, after 1 week, situation is under control. Things are improving, but still, the people who are living here, who are residing here, all the minority community people, they are still under fear.